Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Guest Checkout. This feature allows you to make purchases online using a debit or credit card, even if you do not have a PayPal account. It is perfect for quick, one-time transactions when you prefer not to log in or create a new profile. We will guide you through the simple process, ensuring a smooth and secure payment experience every time. To begin, when you reach the checkout page on an online store, choose PayPal as your payment method. Instead of logging in, look for a button or link that says Pay with Debit or Credit Card or Guest Checkout. Clicking this option will direct you to a secure PayPal page where you can proceed without needing an account. It is a straightforward process designed for your convenience. On the Guest Checkout screen, you will need to provide a few essential pieces of information. First, enter your shipping address, including your full name and contact details. Next, input your credit or debit card information, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Finally, provide an email address where you will receive your purchase confirmation and receipt. All details are handled with robust security. Using PayPal Guest Checkout offers several advantages. It provides a fast and efficient way to complete your purchase without the commitment of creating an account. This is ideal for infrequent shoppers or when you are in a hurry. Rest assured, your payment information is processed through PayPal's secure systems, protecting your financial details. It is a reliable option for hassle-free online shopping.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.